The core principle of the strategy lies in the interplay between sell-side and buy-side liquidity. Spot a valid single-candle liquidity sweep pattern on a higher time frame, HTF, such as 4-hour or 1-hour. Identify a single candle that clears out liquidity below the previous low in a bullish context. Be sure the price clears the liquidity using only one candle body or wick. Validate the pattern by confirming that the next candle does not exceed or close below the sweep candle. Zoom into the lower time frame, LTF, such as 15-minute, and look for a change of character pattern, CHOCH. Wait for a change of character, CHOCH, to confirm a shift in market structure on the entry time frame. Set limit orders on the newly identified order block or fair valued gap based on your confluence. Alternatively, combine the fair valued gap and order block into a single zone and place the entry at its midpoint. Set stop loss and target profit with accuracy. Place the stop loss below the order block in an uptrend or above it in a downtrend. Leave a buffer for spread when placing the stop loss to mitigate adverse slippage. Place the target profit at the next opposite swing point in the price movement to achieve a clear objective and lock in profits. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel and press like.